Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade lentil soup using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of brown or green lentils, 1 onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks, all chopped. Also, have 4 cups of vegetable broth and 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes ready. These fresh components are the foundation for a truly comforting meal. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onion, carrots, and celery, sautéing them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they begin to soften. This step brings out their natural sweetness. Then, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of ground cumin for a warm, aromatic depth that will fill your kitchen. With our aromatics fragrant, it's time to bring everything together for a gentle simmer. Add the rinsed lentils, the can of diced tomatoes, and the 4 cups of vegetable broth to the pot. Bring the mixture to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low, covering the pot. Let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the lentils are wonderfully tender. Finally, season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Almost ready to enjoy. Before serving, give your soup a taste and adjust any seasonings if needed. Perhaps a little more salt or a pinch of pepper. For a burst of freshness, stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley right before serving. Ladle your warm, hearty lentil soup into bowls. It pairs perfectly with a slice of crusty bread. Enjoy your delicious, easy, and healthy homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.